I want the customers to see that we make everything here.
Give it a try.
Okay, let's go. We go around the factory that's not heated at the moment, but that's all right. No preparation, clean, tidy, organised. That's the, you know, Jordan, that's the beauty. We haven't got a clean, tidy. Sun is low. It's December. How warm is it? 15 degrees. We moved here 10 years ago, and this was mud, this was mud, this was overgrown, there was nothing here. We was working from that black barn, and we could see daylight out of it. And now, oh, there's Liam. Look at that, keeping the road premium. We had all this tarmac about 5 years ago. It's real nice. Break time, we're right in the middle of it here. 10 years ago, this didn't exist, and we learned how to do concrete, me, Chris and Sławek. We concreted all this. We was actually working in there, and you could see daylight out of it. And I don't know, we've learned, and we've got a culture here of continuous improvements. Everyone likes to keep it nice and premium, which is good. Oh, everyone's on break. Should we have a little look? Yeah.
Mini cheddars.
Mini cheddars. Merry Christmas. Christmas snacks out. The 2-second bean. Yeah.
Love mini cheddars.
You want one?
Nice.
Look at this. Wonderful setup. Come round so you can see the wonderfulness of this. Cleaning rotor. Everyone takes turns cleaning. Wednesday, the red team done it. Checked everything. Wednesday's towels are out. That's bad. Yours in red team.
Not me, mate.
Yours here. Who's team leader? You. Team leader of the red team. We need to make sure we change that towel. There you go. Swap that over. That goes in there. That goes in the washing machine on Fridays. Automatic door. Very good. Let's go into production. Eating my mini cheddar. That's Liam's Kubota. He took one of our tool wall panels and laid out all his tools and stuff nice. Everything's where it's needed. Zero struggle here. Ladder on the roof, strim on the roof, dustpan, chopping saw around here. Little cupboard for the jet wash. Onboard power, so we pull this out. Generator there, jet wash behind. Wonderful. Nobody knows we're coming, so let's see how things are. So we've come directly into the welding department. This is a planter. Hamish is on break now, so he's got this half built. He's got a couple of more bits to weld up. Robotic welding. Around 30% of our products we used our robotic welding system. And again, we built this here, designed and developed right here. We're very keen and proud of developing an innovation. So a lot of our desks, trolleys, machines we designed and made ourselves. We've actually got heating now. Now I'm wearing a coat inside. This production cell, it's not running today because we're in down season, but this produces our world famous sleeper bracket. So there are a few years after being here, I wanted to make some brackets for wood along my driveway, and I designed and built this bracket. And as time's gone on, we've sold lots and lots. We now supply this into Wicks. So for the last 3-4 years we've been selling this to Wicks. So we make them here right in our factory in Munford in Norfolk, and we send pallets of them into Wicks. And it's wonderful that they're giving us a support as a British manufacturer and not outsourcing this overseas. So we're very happy for that working relationship. We also obviously sell these on our website and sales channels, but we built this machine ourselves. So the robot picks up the bracket, puts it into the bending machine, it bends it in one form, prints the barcode on it, and the robot puts it out, and then we package it from here. So we took an old press, bought a robot, and built basically this Workcell over a few months. So we really do embrace our team's talent for assembling and making and innovating new ways to make things more efficiently. Out of season Workcell, we make a lot of planters, round rings. This is where it's rolled. This is our rolling machine. Parts go in, get rolled. The robot, big robot back there, is just for changing that tool die. It actually weighs 300, 200 kilos each, and it just picks it up and swaps it over. Another robot welding system that we designed and developed here for welding our metal rings and planters together. So this is a fully functional Workcell just for our rolled round ring planters. So if you're looking at them on our website and you do buy one, it's built right here, and we're proud of that. We have a little packing cart, all the orders go in here, and this is the power of the continuous improvement culture we have. The employee level make all these small improvements. It's wonderful. So here's where the raw material comes in. All along here you can see packs of metal. They're 1 ton each, and we have 5 laser cutting machines. The sheet of metal goes in. It's 8 foot by 4 foot, so the old-fashioned measurements. We use the vacuum lifter to put it into the laser. The laser cuts the product to shape. Flat parts come out on these trolleys and they go into this bending machine, and it's bent into shape.
What's the tonnage on that?
Huh?
What's the tonnage on that? Like, how many tons?
I believe it's 100 ton. I know one thing, Armada, we really got our wallet out on this. Back 8 years ago when we was here, I had 2 employees, and I got down to £1,000, and I was like, how the hell am I going to pay them? But now, just for example, that machine we bought new, £168,000 plus VAT, and that we've had that nearly 2 years now. So
Paid itself off yet?
we're getting there, but you know, we've found we really have to invest in people and the equipment, you know, and again with the lasers, so you can really see the pride in working on equipment. There's a forklift, we've had that since new. There's a little bit of damage, but enough, you know, we keep things real nice, and we have a place for everything. Metal skip is a decent square. We kind of treat this, the way our system's set up, we treat it like a restaurant. A lot of products we don't stock, and we make them just in time to order. So at the far end of the building where the orders come in, we print the production order direct from there, and it comes out of a printer here. So for instance, that comes out there. This is like the restaurant kitchen, and that tells us the products, what it is, how many of them, when it was, and when it's required. So this comes out here, we produce it, it goes around the system and out to our customers very quick. We've learned a lot about the sheet metal working equipment. Even so, this Press Brake 4 is a new addition to our team. It's where that one I showed you is nearly £200,000. This one we are actually going to be selling and distributing for around 20 grand. So you can see we've really looked at efficiency and took it to the next level. We've worked with a manufacturer to make that to our spec, and when it comes here we make final adjustments, and that's a new ongoing project that we're working on now. Everything has a place, and this is all employee level stuff. It's floor marking tool walls, so all this is just for floor marking, labelling machine for everyone to label their tools. This is pre-packing, but we're going to go powder coating. You can see hanging parts up. We won't go in there just exactly, but you can see he's hanging parts up. Maybe you can have a little look. So parts gets hung up, powder coated, which is a small, like a plastic powder that sticks to the product, and it's baked on in the oven. And we've got 2 setups to this. This whole building is all for powder coating. So these are our products waiting to go out for our customer. So this was produced this morning. Urgent is red dot. So there's a customer right now has ordered this, waiting to go. So that will get powder coated, packed, shipped today. From next door, the press brakes. These parts come down the conveyor to powder coat. So we've connected the work to make our lives a lot easier. So these parts is all queuing up to powder coat. Cardboard boxes. I'm very much into working efficiently. When we first started out, after long, you know, now we've got nearly 3,000 products. We had maybe 1,000 products then, but we had 100 pallets of different size cardboard boxes. Drove us mental, can you believe it? And now I'm going to show you machines we've got which make our boxes, but for the standard boxes we do buy in now, there's only a range of about 5. This is how we manage it. This is called a Kanban card. It comes from Japanese, so it's a signal. Up on our pallets, there's a Kanban card, so when that's brought down, you can see them there, 2-tier box. When that comes down, it goes into this rack. When it gets to here, we need to order it. Simple. We stopped the struggle here a long time ago. And that's through daily continuous improvement. We're going to go to pre-packing now, so that's where products go laser, folding, powder coat, pre-packing. This is where we pre-pack the items and make the packaging. So you can see this box machine here is actually got oscillating blade and it's cutting card. You can see they've got a cap tank there that's being built. So it has a blade and a wheel, so it creases. This makes all of our packaging. We have 2 of these machines. Look at our premium nut and bolt rack. So we do not struggle. You put them in there. So we have different sizes. So M6 is yellow, M8 is green, M10 is red. 2-bin system. When this box runs out, we have a box behind it. We scan the QR code, it emails the office to buy more. We really have to work hard to be efficient, to be able to make a high quality product for our customer. We do a famous product, a blue roll holder and dispenser. Over the years, when we moved here, we needed to dispense blue paper towels. This packing cell is just for them. And this robot here, which was another product I actually personally undertook and built. It makes these tubes. This robot picks up the PVC tube, cuts it to length, puts the end cap on, laser engraves the end and dumps them in the bin. So I'm quite proud of this Workcell. It's really fun and easy to do.
And you even showed me the other day about like even the caps coming down just to be the most efficient as possible.
Yeah, exactly. We fill up the caps over there, they roll down, and this just works all day. I mean, right now, Ryan works there. I don't know where he is. I think he's in the mornings. He helps in packaging, in packing, shipping department. This is the level we have to work to do a good quality product efficiency. You know, we're competing with imported products here. It doesn't get any easier. It's very hard.
So keep costs down while not compromising on quality, kind of thing.
Yeah, we have to. You know, our customers want good quality, high speed, good price. We're made in England, you know, it doesn't get any easier.
There's not many people who do that anymore.
No, well, it's because it's hard. Right, this packing cell is just for this drill box product, another one of our famous products. Let's get one, maybe you can see, if you can see. It's a drill storage system, flat pack, designed and developed here. We innovated that probably around 6 years ago now. We sold thousands of them. But unfortunately now what happened is, good old Amazon, we love it, you love it, we all love it. But they do really cause us trouble sometimes. Like that product we sent into Amazon, we was Amazon's choice. Other sellers from around the world, I'm sure everyone knows where it comes from, but they all jump on the bandwagon, and now there's 20 different versions of that which have been copied from that product, and now we don't sell it. You know, we sell one a day, and that is affecting us employing and paying British people. It's very, you know, it's upsetting, but we just have to keep going, ignore that, be positive and innovate and just keep going.
I suppose it keeps you on your feet though.
Huh?
I suppose it keeps you on your feet at least.
Yeah, it does. It keeps us on our toes, 100%. Very good, great job. We like a glue gun. So this is where, you know, finished product items are packed. We make the card, we package it, and we try to do least plastic as possible, really. I know we've got bubble wrap, but we try to limit that. Let me show you a really good use of card. Have you got any card corners? Let's go over here. So we used to buy in polystyrene corner protection for our boxes and log stores we sell. And then I realized we've got all this waste card. So I literally stopped and I spent a day designing this, one whole day. And it was a lot of trial and error. But now we're producing card protection corners out of our waste. Like, what a wonderful thing that we don't have to buy them in. It's just fun and easy, right?
And at least even if you don't care about like the environment, it's less mess than polystyrene.
Exactly. And we haven't got to buy it in. We can produce how many we need when we want them with no struggle. We're in a video. Yeah, so in the powder coating, Jim just asked, do we have chrome powder coat? Yes, we do. We keep a range of, I don't know, quite a lot of colours in stock. There's all of our standard colours here. But you know, we can buy in other colours to suit people's brands, whatever they need. you know. But we like to keep things easy and standard. Like us, look at this, blue and yellow. That's our standard colour for our cleaning boards around the factory. This is our shipping area, so this is a roller rack, so it's tilted that way, so brackets go on. This is an example bracket. For our planters, we do a lot of outdoor stuff. I love the outdoors, I love gardening, I love trees, I love wood, you know. So when I can make metal brackets that help people build stuff in their gardens, well, I'm happy, I love it. So, but we have to be efficient and effective. Like right now, December, we don't sell none of this, a little bit. But when we're busy, we've got someone here all day picking, packing brackets. So the bracket I showed you earlier, here's a black version we do. We do that in brown as well, and we do it in stainless when you're doing oak sleepers. But it's picked and packed here. Pack straps, put them in the box, take the order, put that in there, send it down there. Then Ryan will check the order, seal the box, put it on the pallet ready to go. All of our sleeper screws are all in stock. We've got thousands in stock, super high quality sleeper screws. They're not made in the UK, but 90% of our products are. Everything on these racks, all the metal bracketry, all the metal products, all the spray booths, everything made it right here in our Munford factory. We're using this time down season as a chance to get ahead. We normally have quite a high demand for these Fremola post bases and Fremola products. So during our lower season, which is right now, we're producing some stock, which we don't normally like to do because this is inventory. But right now we're getting ahead. We've got a full team, 24 people here right now. So we're running a factory, we're producing. Technically it's overproducing because the customer doesn't want that, but this is kind of stuff when we're busy season, we only keep a small stock, so we need to keep that going. So right here is for our Fremolas, so that's for our pergola kits. This build sells for that. All the card, you know, we produce that here, we're strapping, packing, put them in the purple crates. Again, we like to keep things easy. Put the strapped packed order in this box and it's sent down. And that's packed there. And here's our overstock inventory of all our pagoda corners. Again, I mentioned Kanban earlier, which is signal to manufacture. This purple trolley is the Kanban. When this goes back to powder coating, they have a blue trolley of these and they'll replenish the stock onto these. The blue trolley goes back to lasers. Lasers will recut and produce more of this product flat. So it's a whole revolving self-management thing. They are not on a computer system.
So it's visual for everyone to see.
And it's visual, yeah. So here's some orders that are going out today. But I just want to show you this Workcell because it's pretty cool. So you can imagine once the orders come down the conveyor, I want to pack into a box. We have pre-made boxes because sometimes you pick up the wrong box, you've got nowhere to put it. So in downtime, you know, after all the orders are shipped 5, 6 o'clock, we will replenish this rack. But imagine, you know, we want to use this box, and now that's a bit too high. So the operator can put the platform down, put the products in. If there's a bit of airspace, they want a void fill, just push that pedal. And we've got paper void fill that comes out of ceiling. That was really fun. So that can be void fill. I'll do it again. That's super fun. There we go. I love it.
Well, as I was saying the other day, it's a bit like the Willy Wonka's factory of manufacturing.
Yeah, we love it. Super fun. And what happens is everything tends to turn to a product. Not that box lifter, but now I think of it, maybe other people want now. I don't know. But
like an industrial product rather than a
industrial product. Yeah. So we do have a line, you know, we're home garden and industrial. Like this is Megamax Pro. This is our industrial range. So this helped us make our life easier because of all these attachments for things. And we do actually sell these now, you know, we don't sell many, but you know, I'm happy to see people make their manufacturing in the UK more efficient. There's nothing worse than when you've got a very slow, not nice process. An employee, it comes to work sad, but here they're coming to work and enjoying it and having fun and have the opportunity to make improvements, you know. Look at how we have everything quite tight, one step in the box, and then, you know, there's no waste motion here, and that's how it has to be. One of my favourite movies, The Founder, it's all about the start of McDonald's.
Oh yeah, I've seen that. Yeah.
I love that movie. So they draw out the kitchen
on a tennis court.
In the parking lot, and they're all pretending to cook burgers. That's exactly what we do here. You have to do it because we need to get the most efficient, effective way to work. And it's easier for the employee, less struggle.
Well, it's doing that, plus then also like modifying the actual equipment itself to then make it easier to do the process on top of just the employees.
Yeah, and think about this. We just shot this. We're shooting this video that we didn't know we was going to shoot today, and we've not cleaned up. This is just how it is. Like, this is how we work.
Again, not spotless, but compared to anywhere else, perfect.
Yeah, well, it has to be that way here. And it's not always been like that. We started implementing a lot of improvements 5 years ago, and now we have a continuous improvement culture where everyone makes a small improvement every day. You know, not on our indoor-outdoor side, but we have my YouTube channel where we post our improvement video every single day of the week for the last 3 years. And we've got thousands of people around the world watching them that have inspired and improved their business too. So think what this can do on a business side to make employees have a nicer day at work, easier day at work. The product, the quality of the product goes up. The customer trusts us longer. But you know, we've took our time to make a video like this, you know, even if this will be a video, to show our customers, made in England, we're doing it, you know? And here's some boxes we do buy in. I know I said earlier it was a struggle, but these are free boxes. When this runs out, we take that off. That goes to the office, and then we order more of that pallet of box, you know. We've kept everything super easy and you know. So boxes, you know, we've made a good environment to be able to make a good quality product. We need the customers to trust us long term. We want to be here for the long term, 300 years, generational business, you know. Like, and it comes down to small things. Look at the lighting in here. It's perfect. It has to be bright, nice, clean and maintained. And it's looked after employee level. It's wonderful. And I'm part of that. You know, every day we do cleaning and we all do it together. I'm even cleaning the toilets.
I was scrubbing the toilet yesterday.
Exactly. So actually, here's all our current people. Every person had a little coloured dot by their name, right? By the top left corner. So you can see me top left corner. I started business 2007. So I got a green dot. So that means I'm in the green team. Jim has a green dot, but he's got a star in there. So he's leader of the green team. And you heard us talking to Stuart earlier, leader of the red team. So the towels weren't done in the kitchen. You know, he said it. Stuart. Yeah, he said Leo. It was Leo that was should, but ultimately the leader should have checked. We're trying to create leaders here. We don't have managers of managers of managers. Absolute nonsense in a business. So my goal is to create everyone into a leader, and then they can make their own good decisions. You know, if someone wants to improve or do something, then go for it. I allow them that freedom. Here's our goods in. Clean, tidy, organised. So couriers bring in the parcels. Rather than dumping it on the floor or on a trolley, they put it on the conveyor that comes down, and then it's processed at this desk. And it's the same desk where we process all of our incoming orders. So if you've ordered a product from us, it comes out of the printer at that desk, goes into our shipping wall, then goes off about to where to be shipped. And then on our tannoy system, you can hear communication around the factory. Red dot products dropped off at powder coat booth 2. So that's an urgent order that needs to ship today. Today's, I don't know what time it is, maybe around
11:30.
11:30. So it's got there in good time. That'll be powder coated and shipped today. You know what? The ultimate respect is of people, for me anyway. And the way we look after things and set a good working environment for my people who work here is the bathroom. In my opinion, that's the most important place of any business. So if you want to know how business treats their employees or actually treats their products, check out the bathroom. So I've not been in here. So we've got some music playing, nice music. It's nice heated aircon. 5-star bathroom. We're in a factory in Norfolk in Munford. And this was work that I actually undertook myself. It was myself and Liam, who we see out on the road, sweeping the road. He looks after the maintenance. We said, let's refit the bathroom. So we took 5 Sundays. We come in on Sunday. This was the old break room. We ripped it all out and we done it ourselves. And the crazy thing is, we done it for $5,000 in 5 days. And that was just by using our mind, not our wallet, you know. We bought good quality components and just done it, you know.
Just got on and finished it, yeah, rather than over planning. But
you know, what's the other option? I could have phoned a bathroom contractor. They would have come in there and said, "I'll be $20,000, sir," and they would have put in standard crap white. You know how it is.
And that's after ages of measuring everything 100 times to make sure.
Yeah. But this was simple as I wanted a nice trough sink, and they were £2,000. I was like, I don't want to spend £2,000 on a sink. That's my customers' money, right? For my employees to wash their hands. I was like, what can I do? So these were individual sinks off eBay for £110 each, and I joined them there with silicone. You wouldn't know. Premium taps, mind you, Growley, made in Germany, automatic taps. They were like £230 each, but in the long term, these are going to still be functioning well in 10 years' time. So long term thinking.
With your own products as well.
Yeah, exactly. So that's where we develop our new products. We needed this, didn't exist on the market. We make it, we install it, we photograph it. Now it's a product for other people. Yeah. That is exactly who we are and what we do. So I think we've shown you around. Hopefully you've had more of an insight, a rough insight of how we manufacture products in the UK. We hope to make more videos like this. I mean, more of a candid view, and hopefully I think we're going to meet the people next. So maybe if you want to check our new videos, if this is an old video by that time, I don't know. But yeah, just have a little look. You're going to be surprised. We've got some fantastic people here. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much.